With all the time spent at home these days, who isn't thinking about renovations? We want the places we spend most of our lives to look good, feel good, and be good for the planet. If you're thinking about a home renovation, make sure you include ENERGY STAR certified products, the best combination of performance and energy efficiency to make your investment pay off even more in energy savings.
The best renovation project you can do to save energy and money and help protect the planet is heating and cooling. The average American household spends almost half of their annual energy bill, more than $900 a year, on heating and cooling. If your cooling system is old, you definitely will need a new one for both efficiency and to avoid an emergency replacement. And here is the best advice. When you're ready to replace that central air conditioning, replace it with an ENERGY STAR certified heat pump. And heat pumps are not just for heating, they are for cooling too, and they are so efficient.
Let's talk about the kitchen. Most of us spend hours in there, cooking, cleaning, enjoying time with our families. And that's usually one of the first rooms you renovate. Luckily, there's lots of ENERGY STAR upgrades you can do to save money.
Since we're all spending a lot more time at home, a new kitchen is on everyone's wish list. And now you can have one that provides big energy savings too. Here's my first suggestion. Look for an ENERGY STAR for all your new appliances, especially if you are upgrading an older refrigerator. That Energy Hog refrigerator, or the one you have hidden in your basement, will use about 30% more energy than a new ENERGY STAR certified refrigerator. And the best part is that certified refrigerators come in all the latest styles, inside and out. On average, an ENERGY STAR certified refrigerator costs about $60 a year to run. That's it. Same thing for dishwashers. Look for the ENERGY STAR most efficient dishwashers, which use 22% less energy and 36% less water than the federal standard. Don't waste water by rinsing your dishes before you put them in an ENERGY STAR certified dishwasher. It will get them clean, no worries. And don't forget to update your lighting too with ENERGY STAR. Certified LED lighting comes in all the styles for your new kitchen and for other parts of your home, including downlights. Certified light kits make installation easy and use up to 90% less energy. With all those lights, that is a lot of savings.
Just like the kitchen, your laundry room uses lots of energy and lots of water. If you've got kids or pets in the house, you know the washing machine never stops.
Front-load washers use less water by tumbling clothes through a small amount of water instead of running clothes against an agitator in a full tub. That means they save you on energy and water bills about $360 over the lifetime of a washer. And you save even more with an ENERGY STAR certified dryer, which incorporates improved sensor technology that ensures your dryer will be automatically shut off when clothes are dry. If the pandemic has shown us anything, it's the importance of a home office. Whether you're working from home remotely permanently or in a hybrid fashion, ENERGY STAR offers many ways that you can save energy. If you're upgrading your home office setup, consider ENERGY STAR certified computers, monitors, desk lamps, printers, and/or multifunction devices to save the most energy while getting the best performance. An office outfitted with an ENERGY STAR suite of products can save about $190 over the life of the products. You can find all you need to know about ENERGY STAR certified products for your next renovation project at energystar.gov/products, including information on rebates from your local utility.